We found this free hutch on the side of the road and turned it into two amazing new pieces. The first is obvious, but you'll never guess the second one. After separating the two pieces, we started on the bottom half to turn it into a console. To fix the hole on top, we added a new piece of wood and filled all the gaps. Then we sanded the top smooth and also sanded down any rough spots along the piece. We used a paint sprayer to give it a nice even coat of paint and a fun new color. We also used the paint sprayer to apply a coat of clear varnish for added durability. Some pretty new handles on the doors, and this console was ready to go. Now let's do something with the top of the original hutch. How about a faux fireplace? We started by removing the doors and glass panels, then built a new base out of 2x4s to get it up off the ground. We trimmed that base out with some finished grade 1x6s. Then we added a wide board across the top to create a solid new mantel. We repurposed the big back panel from the original hutch by trimming it down to size to fit the front. To create the fireplace opening, we first held it in place on the front and then traced the inside to mark the area between the vertical boards. Then we used a hula hoop to trace a custom curved shape for the arched top to our opening. We cut it out with a jigsaw and attached it back to the front with screws. We covered the back of the opening with scrap wood and finished off all the edges with trim molding. Then we caulked between all the trim pieces to seal everything up. We used the paint sprayer to paint the whole thing white and then used a brush to paint the inside black. Then we added an electric log set and voila, a faux fireplace. It's hard to believe this old hutch is now two beautiful new pieces, but we love thinking outside the box and this time it really paid off.